What you doing, Izzy? What you doing? Hi. Hi. Uh-oh, there went your juice. No, you got Mr. Hippo. You tell your girl?
No.
No. Do you want to stand up? Do you want to stand up? Watch your head. Watch your head. You're right under the table. Watch your head. Come on. Come, I'll hold you. There we go. Good girl. There we go. Yeah. There we go.